Greetings to the panel. I'm Shivam Sharma from 8th semester MAE branch, representing group number 10 for the major project. Our major project is about a case study on sustainable manufacturing entitled Tesla, a case study on sustainable manufacturing in the automotive sector. Sustainable manufacturing has been a part since ages, and to make the manufacturing beneficial for the environment as well as the resource, procuring resources and reducing the amount of wastage from the manufacturing units has been a mission for each and every sector. In the minor project, we enlisted some factors, some parameters through which we could judge in an industry based on an ideal image of a completely sustainable manufacturing unit. After pointing down those parameters for the judgment, we moved to the major project. We selected Tesla, an already ongoing practice for environmental sector. We have underwent some research related to the stream, and we jotted down the points where Tesla stands as a sustainable sector. Not completely, but yeah, majorly. Now, my friends would discuss and would explain what was their role and also how the practices were undertaken and the research went ahead.
Hello everyone. In this section we will delve into the analysis and findings of our case study on Tesla's sustainable manufacturing practices, explanation on the research methodology employed such as combinations of quantitative and qualitative approaches, including interviews with Tesla executives and analysis of company reports. Overview of data collection methods, including gathering information on Tesla's supply chain, manufacturing processes, and environmental initiatives. Presentation of the key findings such as Tesla's use of renewable energy in manufacturing, its focus on recyclability and efficiency, and the impact of these practices on the environment and industry perception. Interpretations of the findings discussing how Tesla's sustainable manufacturing practices have contributed to its competitive advantages and brand image. Through our analysis, we have gained insights into the strategies Tesla employs to integrate sustainability into its manufacturing processes. Thank you.
Good morning and good afternoon. To wrap up our presentation on Tesla's sustainable manufacturing practices, let's discuss the implications and conclusions drawn from our case study. Discussion of the broader implications of Tesla's approach to sustainable manufacturing, including its influence on industry standards and consumer preferences, comparison with traditional automakers, and their effort towards sustainability. Identification of limitations in our study, such as potential biases or gaps in data, recommendations for future research, such as conducting a comparative analysis with other electric vehicle manufacturers or investigating the long-term sustainability of Tesla's practice. Thank you.